I am so excited to go on this trip with my coworkers. We've been planning this trip for a little minute and we're finally going. This is going to be excited. I'm currently packing my bags as we speak. So stay tuned. Today is December 17th. We leave tomorrow. So yeah, pretty much I'm just packing right now. I'm really already packed, but I honestly just kind of want to see everything that I got and know that I got everything, because you got to double check your bag. So if you don't double check your bag, you don't know that you got what you need. So I need to know that I have everything that I need and then some more, because you never know what you really need. So that's that. So I will talk to you guys in the morning when I'm headed to the airport. Say hi to the vlog. Hello, I'm not even recording.
Oh my.
Hello. Oh my goodness, we're headed to the airport. I can't take myself serious. This child dragging this bag.
The struggle is real.
I thought y'all were walking. Hurry up, Kateria.
It's your first?
I'm so done with this girl. But this is kind of bougie. I don't remember the terminals being like this.
So guys, we're finally on the plane.
I want to see floor to ceiling windows with blinds. Where the couch is at?
Where's the movie at? I'm supposed to be looking at a movie. When I was on Delta Airlines, they had a TV.
Yeah.
Why Alaska don't have a TV? That's so stupid. That's so boring.
If it doesn't get better.
Hi. Oh, this is good. Oh my god. We're probably not gonna take off until like, what time is it?
9:49.
Yeah, we're not gonna take off until like 10. Probably not even at 10. Probably not gonna be until after.
He said a few minutes. Wait, can I see my hair?
He said a few minutes, so most likely 10 o'clock.
2 hours later.
Air Canada.
This? Why we bumping?
It's just like a normal road.
No.
Yeah.
What? It opened?
Oh my
My
god.
gosh. Get me off right now.
Wait. It's about to hit your head.
Yeah, it's gonna
I feel like I'm on a roller coaster. Yeah. Oh my gosh.
It's my ear.
Yeah, be careful your ear.
hours later.
We are on, what do you call this?
You know what?
Subway?
Please hold on.
We on a subway, right?
That's plain.
Y'all, I see it. I see the blush
I was
flying.
like, what? We're done. Oh well.
Yeah.
Please hold on.
This is how I'm gonna go out. Mommy thought it was gonna be that was gonna kill me. Now it's going out. It's fair.
Sure no.
Almost spit.
We finally landed. We are not in Florida anymore. Seattle, baby. So right now we're headed to the hotel. Once we get there, I'll give you guys a tour of the hotel.
Look at the
So yeah.
Look at the Kateria, show it.
So we are at Frolik Lounge.
My finger was in the way. I'm sorry. Okay, charging the flash.
I'm hungry as F, and I'm ready to eat. It's them taking pictures, and I'm ready to eat.
It's straight. Oh my gosh, it's so boring.
Y'all, so we went to Yard House and the food was nasty. The food was nasty. It was not appetizing. Like, we had chicken wings and the chicken wings tasted like Tyson wings, and we had firecracker shrimp and the shrimp tasted like Tyson shrimp. We bought spinach dip And the spinach dip was like, what? Is this food or is this dog food?
Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, I don't know how I would have survived. I wouldn't have survived without this thing.